Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackman here with Paramount Property Investments. I'm at a 3-bed, 2-4 bath ranch style home in New Philadelphia, Ohio. This property is a little bit out of my price range. Out of my area that we work in. But I've sold a couple of houses here over the years, in this area rather, and actually helping a couple of buyer clients of mine buy their second home. So it's a bathroom, pretty nice updated bath. It's a real well-kept home. So yeah, that's a service that we offer to the public. Anybody that's looking to get pre-approved to buy a home can definitely facilitate that process for you. I worked with plenty of lenders in the past who offer programs that can get you your closing costs and down payment covered as part of the loan. And I've had clients buy homes and they get money back at closing. So that's what we're up to today on Christmas Eve 2018. Wrapping this showing up. So if you or anybody you know is interested in buying, selling, or investing in real estate, give us a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.